If there is one reason in the whole vast world why people fail, it is because they are unaware of a law known to psychologists today as the law of reverse effort. When you assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled, it is with the minimum of effort. You must control the direction of the movement of your attention, but you must do so with the least effort. If there is effort in the control, and you are compelling it in a certain way, you are not going to get the results. You will get the opposite results, whatever they might be. Let me again clarify the technique. Know what you want, then construct a single event, an event which implies fulfillment of your wish. Restrict the event to a single act. For instance, if I single out as an event shaking a man's hand, then that is the only thing I do. I do not shake it, then light a cigarette, and do 1,000 other things. I simply imagine that I am actually shaking hands, and keep the act going over and over again until the imaginary act has all the feeling of reality. The event must always imply fulfillment of the wish. Always construct an event which you believe you will naturally encounter following the fulfillment of your desire.